Hello viewers, and today we will speak about Chinese YouTube, about Youku. I just want to show my Chinese friends some video of me, and they cannot, it doesn't allow to watch YouTube in China, so I have to register uh, on a Youku. It's like a Chinese YouTube, but this is a problem because it's only in Chinese. This website, I saw many videos and website and try to do it, log in, but I cannot to do it. And today I will show you my way. Um, so for the first time, you have to go to Youku website, but I try to put it here my email. But they want to mobile phone number, but of course I don't have here. It doesn't work Chinese because I stay in Ukraine. So this is another way to log in with some social networks of China. So I have WeChat, or in Chinese Weixin. I have it on my phone, but at first time I didn't know how to do it. So now I will tell you. On your phone, for the first time you have to log in on a WeChat. You can download it to your phone from Google Play or other market and log in with your phone. It's very easy because it's international. It is in English or in your language, many languages you have. And after you have to scan QR code. Yes, we will watch this code here. And in your phone, okay, just a minute. Now there is a option in a WeChat, maybe because I downloaded already for a WeChat for Windows. So in a WeChat on your phone there is a option scan QR code. Okay, I will try to find it here. Because I just wanted to show you. An option. It works a little bit slowly because it comes from China. And in China internet is very slowly, and so don't want to talking about. So you have to find scan QR code on your phone, and after scan, just a minute. You see, I try to do it many times. Oh, so after you scan this code with your phone, and after it is allowed for you to log in to Youku. So you can see my name is here, and after I will try to upload. So good luck, and in the next video we will speak how to monetize your videos in a China YouTube in a Youku, because I want to do it. I already have my account in YouTube, and now I want to go to China and show my videos and monetize and earn some money. Okay, thank you and see you again. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and this is the second video how to create your account and upload the videos to Chinese YouTube, to i.youku. So in the first video I told you the most simple way how to register. It is just to download the software with name WeChat or Weixin in Chinese, and what to do next. So if you have the software on your phone, you just click on this button and you became here QR code. So now you go to your phone, and sorry, you cannot see you, and you can choose scan QR code, and after this you just go to, and now the next oh sorry, here is some message here. Confirm your i.youku and login. So now what the next? So actually it's working. So you see my videos. Something wrong? Yes, it's really working, because you know many people tell you some tips. You have to have an email, Chinese phone. I don't know if, how does it works with the phone now, but in my country, in Ukraine, I cannot use it. I cannot use the Chinese SIM card, but I cannot use the Chinese email too, because it doesn't work. So this way is the very easy way and very simple way. So now you can upload your videos like this. Just find the videos here, and everything the next, how to upload and how to write the videos, you will watch in the next video. So please subscribe, and if you like this video, just let me know. Now okay friends, so enjoy the i.youku, enjoy the Chinese YouTube. Bye bye.